My favorite thing to eat is a beautifully roasted chicken. So besides eating it, carving it is one of my favorite things. So I've designed a beautiful carving set with Kenshin. One of the things I love about this design is the length of the tines on the fork. They're not too long. Sometimes carving sets have another inch or an inch and a half. They just seem to be too clumsy for me. So this is very elegant, but also very practical in the size. We want to be able to just seam that out. And it's very simple. You're just following down along the breast, down the thigh, until you get to that joint, the little ball joint. It just comes right off. I'm going to show you a little something that I love. We want to season the board so that when we put our roasted pieces down, we're actually seasoning the part that couldn't get seasoned through the roasting process. So just a little pepper here, some salt. And we like to have our hand raining the salt down so it spreads out evenly as opposed to this, okay? Always rain your salt. It creates a little more of a mess, but it gives you a very even coating of salt. So you go. I'm seaming the second one now. Ah, the aromas are just beautiful coming off of the bird. It makes you hungry just carving it. Okay. I'll just remove my breast. Looking for that seam. Okay. Right there. Perfect. Wonderful. You can hear that. Just a beautifully roasted chicken.